Hey, go real slow, dude. Huh? No, I'm not gonna walk all the way up there. Stay to that side, Blake. Use your brake. Use both your brakes. Remember, you have a back one too. Think you can do that? Okay, just use your front. Roll down. Don't push your brake quite so hard. Look at me, look at me, look at me and see where you're gonna go. Look down that way. Don't push your brake, don't push your brake. Hey, that was a great job, dude. Oh yeah. All right, this next one, we're gonna go up now, okay? You want me to go first? You wanna just meet me at the top? Yep, I'll see you up there. Watch how I go, okay? Keep looking at me, bud. Look at me, look at me. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Man, I didn't even need to get off the dirt bike that time. Good job. Go ahead, I'll meet you up there. If you find an obstacle, just slow up for it, okay? Go ahead, I'll meet you up there. Well, go ahead, because I gotta get on my bike. Shift! Blake! Hey buddy, when we're going on those straight parts, you gotta shift into second, okay? Go ahead. Left, 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 left! Yep.